Hart Evangelista sumumpa bilang presidente ng Senate Spouse Foundation. Sumumpa ang fashion icon at kapuso actress na si Hart Evangelista nitong June 5, 2024, bilang bagong pangulo ng Senate Spouses Foundation kasama ang iba pang opisyal na kinabibilangan ng iba pang mga asawa ng mga nakaupong senador. Ang naganap na oath-taking ay isang makabuluhang okasyon na ginanap sa harap ng mga prominenteng personalidad sa Senate Building. Si Hart Evangelista ang pumalit kay Audrey Tan-Zebiri sa pamumuno ng nasabing organisasyon matapos ang pagre-resign ni Senate President Juan Miguel Zebiri bilang Senate President nitong nakaraang buwan ng Mayo. Sa kaparehong araw, kaagad na nanumpa bilang bagong Senate President ang mister ni Hart Evangelista na si Senator Francis Escudero. Kabilang sa mga nanumpang opisyales sa Senate Spouses Foundation sina Catherine Pimentel bilang Vice President, Nilia Manzares bilang Assistant Secretary. Treasurer Representative naman sila ni Revilla at Legal Counsel si Emeline Villar. Kaagad namang ibinahagi ni Hart Evangelista ang kanyang panunumpa kalakip ang kanyang pagiging grateful sa pagtitiwala sa kanya. I am so honored to stand before every one of you today as the new president of the Senate Spouses Foundation Inc. As I stand side by side with these men and women, my fellow spouses and officials who were involved in SSFI long before me, I could not help but be grateful for welcoming and supporting me in this challenging journey ahead. As I have said during our very first meeting, I am ready to honor the challenge of working together to find ways to uplift our people and our communities. The legacies left by all the ladies before me, a treasure of stories and testaments of service to the nation, is something that encourages me to continue what they have started to make a difference and to inspire not only SSFL members but also individuals and groups who have the power to do something in improving the lives of people around us. With your support, fellow spouses, SSFI support staff, the Senate community and of course of Senate President Cheese, I am bravely taking on these duties. It is inspiring to see what we can accomplish and what kind of changes we can all make together. Maraming salamat po. Kaagad namang umani ng samot-saring reaksyon mula sa mga netizens ang panunumpang ito ni Hart Evangelista. Even before, you were already very helpful to our kababayan, especially during the pandemic. You helped more than 200 families and gave more than 500 tablets to students. We are excited that you can help and serve more of our people. Congrats, Madam Hart. Apakahusay at I am hearty such an inspirations to many people. Hardworking.